Hello everyone and welcome to HH Beauty Garden. If you are passionate about plants or just like the idea of growing your own bougainvillea, then you have come to the right place. Before you start, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with other plant lovers. Your support helps our community grow. The magic of propagating. Bougainvillea, check out this beautiful bougainvillea. Would you like to grow one at home? In today's step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to easily propagate bougainvillea using natural materials you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. Propagate bougainvillea. Step-by-step. Step 1. Prepare the bougainvillea stem first. Cut a bougainvillea stem about 15 centimeters long. Carefully remove all the lower leaves. This allows the plant to focus its energy on developing roots. Step 2. Apply garlic. Take a clove of garlic and rub it on the cut end of the rose stem. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with strong antibacterial properties. This helps prevent infection and increases the ability of scar tissue to regenerate at the incision site. Step 3. Apply natural rooting hormone. Next, we will use aloe vera as a natural rooting hormone. Rub the cut end of the rose stem against the sliced aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains enzymes and plant hormones that aid root growth and protect against fungus. Step 4. Apply sponge and toilet paper. Use a small piece of toilet paper, fold it into a small size and wrap it around the cut. Use a plastic tie to secure it, which creates conditions and moisture for the plant to grow. Then use a piece of sponge, measure the length of the stem to the paper roll. We can use the handle of a knife to make a hole to insert the plant. Step 5. Place the bougainvillea stem in a prepared cup. Fill it with clean water until the sponge is covered. Finally, place the cup in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. Witness the magic. After just a few days, the magic begins to happen. After just 5 days, new roots and shoots begin to appear, a clear sign of healthy propagation. With proper care, this bougainvillea stem will soon be ready to plant in soil. Happy gardening! I hope you enjoyed this simple and natural method of propagating roses. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and DIY gardening ideas. Let us know in the comments which country you're watching from. I love connecting with plant lovers all over the world. See you next time. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.